Hey, Rick Sammon here, Canon Explorer of Light, Kelby 1 instructor. Today I have some quick tips for you on how you can make, not just take great pictures on Scott Kelby's worldwide Photowalk. Now you know what? Picture opportunities really are everywhere. You just have to look for them. Let me show you what I mean. Check out this shot. It sure looks like a comet streaking through space at supersonic speed. Did I use like an 8,000 millimeter lens to get the shot? No, I actually used my Canon 24 to 105 millimeter lens at 105 millimeters. It's actually a photo of a drop of oil after a rainstorm on the road here. To make a much more dramatic image, I simply boosted the contrast, saturation, clarity, and sharpness. Here's another example of looking for a picture and, of course, making pictures. These guys are some of my friends looking to make pictures in a marine junkyard on the Oregon coast. Notice the piece of red fishing equipment in the foreground and the colorful lines and buoys in the background. I made this abstract photograph in the foreground, and my wife Susan and I made these detailed shots in the background. Again, look for pictures and you'll find them. Now let's take a look at how to make lemonade out of lemons. On your photo walks, the light may not always be great, as it was the case here when I was photographing this Chinese junk in Hong Kong harbor. To create this much more dramatic image and dynamic image, I simply boosted the contrast, saturation, and clarity. Another way to make a picture is to follow this tip. Cut the clutter. This shot is what's called, and what I call, a compositional mess. It has no main subject, and the contrast range in the scene is much too great. But look what happened when I zoomed in and I selected what I felt was the most interesting subject in the scene. As photographers, we need to look at a scene, not just see a scene. Again, there's a big difference between looking and seeing. Well, photo walkers, I really hope you have fun making, not just taking pictures on the worldwide photo walk. I'm Rick Sammon. I'll catch you later.